Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of our module. In this part, I am going to discuss with you few more objectives that we can use for campaign designing. In the previous video, we discussed how to design the Twitter campaigns using the tweet engagements as in campaign objectives. Now let us see if your campaign objective is website clicks or the conversion, then how to create the campaign in Twitter. So just click on website click and conversions. Before I start, let me explain. Here the purpose is that you want maximum clicks for your websites and you want to drive the traffic to your website through the Twitter advertisements. So just click on this one. So we are in the same interface that we used for our previous campaign. So here most of the things are similar to what we discussed in our first campaign. So let me just give the demo name here. Let it be demo 2. Funding source is a credit card and debit card. Daily budget, let us make it $10. And we have the start date and we have the end date. And I don't find anything new here. It is exactly the same that we have discussed in our previous campaign. So just click on next. Now we are again here at the ad group level, but here something different you will find. But first let me give the name to our first ad group. It is my demo ad group. Then each ad group has, as we know, start date and end date, so we can specify those dates here, but these are the optional. Similarly, we can set our budget for each of the ad group, but again it is optional. But here you will find something different. You have 3 types of bidding strategies there. First, we have the automatic bidding strategy. In this case, your bid will be optimized to maximize the result at the lowest price. So if you are beginners and initially you are going to start with the Twitter advertisement, then I will suggest you just go for automatic bidding. Second, we have the target cost. In this case, you have to set a target cost per bid unit and your daily average cost will meet or beat the highest target you have set for that day. So again, we have the third option here, maximum bid amount. Means that you will set the amount here that Twitter will not charge you more than that bid amount. So usually once you are experienced one, then you can take the advantage of here by setting the maximum bid amount. So let us go by first automatic bidding, and our expenditure will be decided on the basis of automatic bid that will be set by the Twitter itself. Next, we have the optimization preferences. You want to optimize your ads for clicks or for website conversions. So we want more clicks for our website, let it be link clicks here. Next, we have the few measurement options, so leave them as default options. So let us proceed further. Now again, on this page everything is similar to our previous advertisement. You can set the tailored audience, means that you can select from your saved audiences. Then we have the demographics. It is up to you. You want to go for any specific gender category or for all. Then we have the age. You can go for all age range. Here you have the location, language, technology. So I don't see any difference here, and you know about what these options are. So simply location, by default it is set to India. If you want add few more location, you can search from here and you can add that location as well. Similarly, we have the languages and technology options to target the audience. Next, we can also target the audience on the basis of audience features. So we have here lot many categories to select, and you can select or target the audience by using an appropriate category. Then next, let us now click next. Now here again, because it is we have to ultimately promote a tweet, you can select your already existing tweet, or you can create a new tweet from here. You can have the preview of your tweet or ads here. See here, this is what I have. So this is how my ad will be visible in the Twitter ads. On this side we have the placements. I know you know about the placements that we discussed in the Facebook advertising. So placements are nothing, it's a place where you want your ad should be visible. So we have multiple options selected by default, but if you don't want to show the ad at particular place, you can uncheck these buttons. So your ad, in this case your ad will be shown in profile, search results, Twitter audience, platforms here. Now in this case we have to select the ad categories as well, to which topic or category your ad is more relevant. For example, I'm just searching for education here, so I can select the education category here. Then we have the website domain. This is very important, where finally you want to bring the traffic when someone will click on your advertisement. So let me give my favorite website, which is dmook.in is there, where I would like that traffic should come when someone will click on my advertisement. So that's all. You have the preview section, just review your campaign and click on launch campaign. So I hope this was very simple process. The additional thing here which we get, that was only that we have to enter the website address here, and we have the more option to set for the bidding here. So hope the things were clear to you. Let us now start with in-stream video as objective. So here purpose is very clear, that if I want to show my advertisement before the videos which are already on Twitter shared by others, then I can use this option. So let us see what more options are there under in-stream video views. So this page is same page. I don't see anything new here. So just give any name to your campaign. Let me just give the name of my video demo here, and this is the budget, daily budget, total budget, start date, end date. So it's the same thing. Let us go to the next page. This is the ad group. Again here you will find the same thing. This is my ad group 2. If you want, you can give the start date or end date. Then you can set the budget. Here we have only two options. Either you can have the automatic bidding, or you can set the maximum bid. If you select the maximum bid, then you have to specify some amount here. But if it is automatic, then you need not to specify any amount here. Next we have the bid unit. This is something very important. How you want that you will be charged for this one. It is per second or 100% in stream video views you will be charged, or you want you will be charged for per in stream video views, or per 6 second in stream video views there. So it is better to select for per stream video views. So I have selected that option only. Then in the placement we have the brand category. Here we have multiple categories, and you can see to which category your brand belongs. So just select that category here, and you can select more than one categories as well. So we have selected the category here, then click on next. Again we have the audience here. We have to just set our target audience, and you know about all these options here, so just leave it blank and click on next. In your case you will find that you have to upload the videos here, right? So in my case one video is already uploaded here, but in your case you will not see any video here. You have to just go to the media library. From the media library, it is similar to the library that we have used in our WordPress, and you can use this upload button here to upload the videos. So you will select a particular video from your desktop and you will upload it here. So this way I have uploaded this type of video, and you can select it for your video campaigns. Here you can give the call to action on your video ads, like visit, watch, shop, see, go to, and other types of, you can say, call to actions. give the website address here, that way someone will click on your ad where he will land finally. So I am giving the address of my website here. Then this is something preview section here. So let us, if everything is okay, let us click on next. Thus we are in the review section. So just review your ad and click on launch campaign. So again, this is very simple process to launch the video ads on Twitter. I hope the things are clear to you.